Samsung Galaxy F55 Review. Samsung has always been a leader in the smartphone industry, known for producing devices that blend innovation, style, and performance. The Samsung Galaxy F55 is the latest addition to their impressive lineup, and it promises to deliver on all fronts. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or someone looking for a reliable upgrade, the Galaxy F55 has something to offer. Design and build quality. The first thing that grabs your attention about the Samsung Galaxy F55 is its sleek and modern design. Samsung has outdone itself with the F55, offering a device that looks as good as it performs. The phone boasts a premium glass and metal construction, giving it a solid feel in the hand. The edges are smooth and rounded, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. The back panel, available in a variety of stunning colors, features a glossy finish that shimmers under the light, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. Samsung has paid attention to the smallest details in the F55's design. The placement of buttons and ports is intuitive, ensuring that everything is within easy reach. The power button and volume rocker are located on the right side of the device, while the USB-C port, speaker grill, and headphone jack are positioned at the bottom. The fingerprint sensor is seamlessly integrated into the display, providing quick and secure access to your device. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy F55 exudes a sense of refinement and quality that sets it apart from many of its competitors. Display. One of the standout features of the Samsung Galaxy F55 is its display. The phone sports a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels. This translates to vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details that make everything from watching videos to browsing the web a visual treat. The F55's display supports ATR10+, ensuring that you get an immersive viewing experience with enhanced contrast and brightness. The Galaxy F55's display also excels in terms of usability. It offers excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Thanks to its high brightness levels, the touch response is smooth and accurate, making interactions feel natural and fluid. Whether you're playing games, editing photos, or reading ebooks, the display's performance is consistently impressive. Additionally, the display features a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations appear incredibly smooth. This high refresh rate is particularly beneficial for gaming and other fast-paced activities, providing a more responsive and enjoyable experience. Performance. Under the hood of the Samsung Galaxy F55 is powered by the Exynos 2200 processor, paired with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, depending on the variant. This combination ensures that the phone can handle a wide range of tasks with ease, from multitasking and app switching to running demanding games and applications. The Exynos 2200 is a flagship-level processor that delivers fast and efficient performance, making the F55 a powerhouse in its category. In real-world usage, the Galaxy F55 performs exceptionally well. Apps launch quickly, and navigation through the user interface is smooth and lag-free. Gaming on the F55 is a delight, thanks to its powerful GPU that can handle graphically intensive games without breaking a sweat. The phone also stays cool during extended gaming sessions, which is a testament to its efficient thermal management. Moreover, the F55 offers ample storage options, with configurations starting from 128 GB and going up to 512 GB. This means you have plenty of space to store your apps, games, photos, and videos without worrying about running out of storage. Camera capabilities. The Samsung Galaxy F55 is equipped with a versatile quad-camera setup on the rear, comprising a 64MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, a 5MP macro sensor, and a 5MP depth sensor. This setup allows you to capture a wide range of scenes and subjects with stunning clarity and detail. The main sensor excels in all lighting conditions, producing sharp and vibrant images. The ultra-wide sensor is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or large group photos, while the macro sensor lets you get up close to your subject for detailed close-up shots. The depth sensor adds a professional touch to your portrait shots, creating a pleasing bokeh effect that makes your subject stand out against a blurred background. In addition to its impressive hardware, the Galaxy F55's camera software is packed with features that enhance your photography experience. The Pro mode gives you full control over settings like ISO, shutter speed, and white balance, allowing you to fine-tune your shots to perfection. The Night mode is particularly noteworthy, as it significantly improves low-light photography, producing bright and clear images even in challenging lighting conditions. The F55 also supports 4K video recording, enabling you to capture high-quality videos with rich detail and smooth motion. The front-facing 32MP camera is no slouch either, delivering excellent selfies and supporting features like portrait mode and beauty enhancements. Battery life. Battery life is a critical factor for any smartphone, and the Samsung Galaxy F55 does not disappoint in this regard. The phone is equipped with a robust 5,000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, browsing the web, or using GPS navigation, the F55's battery holds up remarkably well. For moderate users, the battery life can extend to nearly 2 days on a single charge. Samsung has also included fast charging capabilities with the Galaxy F55. The phone supports 25W wired fast charging, which can quickly replenish the battery when you're running low on power. Additionally, the F55 supports 15W wireless charging, offering a convenient and cable-free charging option. The reverse wireless charging feature is a nice touch, allowing you to use the F55 to charge other compatible devices, such as earbuds or a smartwatch. This level of versatility and efficiency makes the Galaxy F55 a reliable companion for all your daily activities. Software and features. The Samsung Galaxy F55 runs on One UI 4.1, Samsung's custom skin based on Android 12. One UI is known for its user-friendly design and thoughtful features that enhance the overall user experience. The interface is clean and intuitive, with a focus on ease of use and customization. Samsung has included a variety of features that make everyday tasks more convenient, such as the Edge panel, which provides quick access to your favorite apps and tools, and the always-on display, which shows essential information at a glance. One of the standout features of One UI 4.1 is its emphasis on privacy and security. The F55 includes features like Secure Folder, which allows you to keep sensitive information and apps safe, and Samsung Knox, a comprehensive security platform that protects your device from malware and unauthorized access. The software also offers extensive customization options, letting you personalize your home screen, themes, and icons to match your style. Additionally, the Galaxy F55 comes with Samsung's suite of productivity tools, such as Samsung DeX, which enables a desktop-like experience when connected to a monitor, and Bixby, Samsung's virtual assistant that helps you manage tasks and find information quickly. The Samsung Galaxy F55 is a well-rounded smartphone that excels in almost every aspect. Its stunning design, vibrant display, powerful performance, versatile camera system, long-lasting battery, and feature-rich software make it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a new device. Samsung has once again demonstrated its ability to innovate and deliver a product that meets the needs and expectations of today's consumers. Whether you're looking for a phone that can handle your daily tasks with ease, capture beautiful photos and videos, or provide a seamless and enjoyable user experience, the Galaxy F55 is a top contender that deserves serious consideration. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.